What's up, fellas? 2017 Contenders, 4-box random number 2. We're going live. Timestamp is 640. Already have the teams and the names in. Dice has to be 4 or more. Going 8 times on the teams. Wherever you line up in the spreadsheet, guys, that's who you're going to get. Giants on top, Bears on the bottom. QUOMIR is the code for the teams. Now let's do the names. 4 more. 10 times on the names. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. William on top. Ralph on the bottom. NDVRFY is the code for the names. There you go, guys. That's who you have. Good luck, fellas. And we are done. 641. Thanks, guys.